This owl's giving us a wise old stare, like he's about to drop some serious wisdom. Alright, Scribble Peepers, get ready for a hoot of a time. First, we're starting with a simple circle. This is the cozy body of our wise friend, and a place where we can draw those curious eyes. Don't forget to put some dots in the eyes. They're like the tiny stars that make our owls sparkle with wisdom. Now that we're drawing the wings, did you know that owls can fly so quietly, they don't even make a sound? It's like our owl is a forest phantom, gliding through the night without a whisper. And now, when our owl is all set in its favorite hangout spot, where he watches over the forest like a true guardian, we need to add a tail and some fluffy owl ears before moving on to the next scribble step. You know, drawing those awesome marker lines, of course. With our marker ready, let's outline with flair. Start with the curious eyes and make them stare. Draw the beak and ears so sharp and neat, wings that are grand and legs that can't be beat. It is time for the branch now. Owl's favorite hangout spot. Then finish the body and tail. A final touch, is it not? And another final touch are some awesome colors with care. You can see how mine turned out. Take a peek and compare. You can create more peeptastic masterpieces like this one, and it's free. Just visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!